Reach it, get on. वन ये फिंगरप्रिंट चेक करता हूँ, कुछ केस है करना पड़ता।
ठीक है। अरे मैंने सोचा आपके हाथ में क्या है।
ये फिंगरप्रिंट।
हाँ श्योर श्योर। Hopefully I don't have any case on me. Well, I don't think I do have any case on me. It's taking forever.
अर्जेंट दिया?
हाँ, home.
कौन?
I don't know how much of a help having cameras in these kinds of situations is going to be, but this cop seems nice. Taking a lot of time, huh? I guess it's my time.
Camera working, huh? Huh?
Always.
Always. Now recording.
Always recording.
Always recording.
Always recording.
Good. This is safety.
Safety.
Very. You are coming from now?
This thing.
You don't have any cases.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Chalo. I'll go now.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Already fitted camera or you?
No, I fitted it on my own. Yeah, I purchased this mount and then the camera comes separate. So when I'm riding in the night and stuff, you know, to my safety.
Good. Very good.
Yeah.
Good. Good.
I'll go.
Okay.
I told you.
Okay. Right.
Thank you. Nice cops. This is the first time I've been caught by cops in the midnight when I'm riding. Well, I guess they were just, you know, doing their job, nothing more. It's nice that, you know, these cops are not, you know, taking the advantage that I don't speak Kannada. And it's nice that they were polite. I stopped over there because I knew that I had no cases on me or anything like that ever. So I'm like, you know, might as well just do it. You run away from situations like this. That's when you know, seem suspicious. Never run away if you have not done anything wrong. Don't run away if you have done anything wrong also. This makes the situation 10 times worse. If by chance they have gotten your number plate, yeah, that's it. They'll come knocking at your door. At least that's what I think will happen. I don't know. I honestly thought that they were stopping because, you know, breathalyzer or breathalyzer, whatever that thing is, which, you know, checks your alcohol level. I honestly thought it was that. But this is the first time I've ever seen like a fingerprint reader with cops that are, you know, mobile cops. And I told them it's for my safety. Part of it is, but mainly it's just for content creation. I'm glad that my camera was rolling because most of the time, like when these kinds of situations come, my camera is always off. I don't know why. Jeez. But then it was good. I treated them with respect and they did too. I really like that. Should take away some of the misconception that, you know, people over here will get angry at you if you don't speak in Kannada, which is not the case with every single person that you meet. Yes, there will be a few people here and there who are going to, there are going to be a few people here and there who are going to create a ruckus for unnecessary things like this. But the cops over here, I know very little Kannada, and I think I did speak a little when I stopped, but then that's all my limit is for my Kannada. I'm glad they were not angry and saying, speak in Kannada, why are you not speaking in Kannada, or where are you coming from, or it was good. Honestly, I still do think that it was because of my camera. If it wasn't, might be different, I don't know, but who knows. Just glad nothing happened. They have not done anything wrong to me. Come on. They have not done anything wrong to me. Okay, maybe speeding. But then come on. Like, it was an open road. I don't really speed on my bike that often. I like how, all that while I was riding so fast, and now that cop stops me, I'm riding so chill now. I'm like, oh shit. Chill out, Google Maps. I know the way. 3 o'clock. That was the first time I've taken that road this late in the night. And yeah, got stopped. Should have told him to, please remember me. I am gonna be taking that road pretty often. Anywho, it's a different joy riding in the night. It's just that I have college going on, and my college starts at a very weird time. It's like I have college starting at 12:30, and my college is like 1 hour away from my home. So gotta get out a little early for that. But right now it is the worst time. It is the worst time to actually get out during the day. It becomes so hot. It's like scorched earth. It is just so hot. Jeez. That's why I've not been able to, upload on YouTube or Instagram. My God. Jeez. Pretty dead city. Oh, in the morning you should see this place. You can't even. That road is just open over there. That looks like my bike. Looks like my friend's bike. But then that's gonna be it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is the first time I actually spoke in my vlog, so leave a comment down below. What do you guys think about this? Yeah, and see if you guys want me to continue doing this more. So thanks for watching, everybody.